Ignatius Jean. Ignatius Jean is a Saint Lucian politician who represented the Castries North constituency for the Saint Lucia Labour Party until he was defeated in the general election of 11 December 2006. Ignatius Jean is the country representative of the Inter-American Institute for Cooperation on Agriculture (IICA) in Guyana since June 2007. He was elected as the representative of the Castries North constituency in the Saint Lucia House of Assembly in December 2001. He served in the cabinet of Prime Minister Dr. Kenny D. Antony as Minister of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries MAFF in the government of Saint Lucia 2004-2006, Minister of Physical Planning, Environment and Housing 2002-2003, Parliamentary Secretary MAFF 2001-2002. He holds an M.Sc. in Agricultural Management 1995 and postgraduate diploma in Agricultural Economics from the University of Reading, UK 1994, Certificate in Risk Management, Insurance Institute of America 1998, Diploma in Agriculture from the Guyana School of Agriculture 1981-1983, Certificate in Business. He worked as an agronomist in the banana industry of Saint Lucia 1980-1987 and later as the chief loss adjuster of the Windward Islands Crop Insurance Limited Wingcrop 1988-2001. References